Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do neon nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting your toenails nude and neon yellow. You're going to outline the top and the middle sides of the toenail with neon yellow. Instagram is in the description below. Check out the cards at the top of the video and the videos on the end screen. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.